me ask you this. Have you ever gone to a Greek restaurant, tried something on the menu, and thought, holy shit, does this ever taste great? It's absolutely fantastic. I wish I could make this at home myself. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make one of those dishes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful tirokafteri. A tirokafteri is basically loosely translated into a hot or a flaming cheese. And it's not the saganaki bursting into flames. What this is that spread or that dip, if you will, that's feta and very, very spicy. You can use it with bread, pita, chips, veggies. I'm going to show you how to do this today, and it's going to be absolutely fantastic. And it is so freaking easy, it's unbelievable. There's 4 ingredients: feta, strained Greek yogurt, olive oil, and of course, your heat source. So to start us off with this recipe, very easy. I'll show you how, in terms of the level of heat and how you can judge it. For this, I like using green cayennes. They're amazing. I like the flavor, I like the balanced heat, but you can use any kind of hot pepper you like. You can use sriracha sauce if you like. It'll just give it that more of a pinkish kind of tone. You can use chili flakes. You can use jalapenos, whatever. In this case, I'm using the cayenne. So for this, one is a nice spice. You're gonna feel a nice tingling in your mouth. It's gonna be pleasant. Generally a G rating. This is what one is. 2 of these, 2, is basically hot. You're gonna feel it, you're gonna feel a nice burning. For those who like a little bit on the spicier, kicked up side, 2 is good. My friends, 3 of these is what your colon bursting into flames will feel like. Really hot, really spicy, and if you're to that kind of pain, power to you, knock yourself out. But for today's recipe, I'm only gonna use 1. So to start us off, you're gonna need a food processor, which makes things a hell of a lot easier. And all I'm gonna do really is just top the cayenne pepper and very simply throw it in there. The first part of this, and this is very, very important in this recipe, is to pulse this up and get your cayenne kind of going. The next part of this is 300 grams of feta. And you're just gonna crumble it into your food processor. Nothing complicated at all, just like that. A 1/4 cup of Greek extra virgin olive oil. Use the best, absolute best olive oil you can get your hands on for this part, because we're not cooking with this, so you're not going to be altering the flavor or the taste of this at all. So this is where you want to spend, this is where you spend 30 or 40 bucks for a bottle, and this is where you actually use it and you're going to actually get the benefit of it. You're going to use also, actually let me just grab a spoon. You're going to use 2 heaping tablespoons of the Greek strained yogurt. And for this, you don't want to use that runny stuff, just not a good idea. So a couple of heaping tablespoons will go in there, just like that. Nothing to this at all. And the beauty about this, you don't even have to turn on the damn oven. There's no cooking to this at all. Oh, a little pepper, a little salt. You don't want to go crazy on the salt because there's already salt in the feta as well. And just whiz this up. All right, that's it. Maybe a minute or so just to get everything all nice and incorporated and happy. And that's all there is to it. Perfect, just let me put that there. This is ready to go. I'll move this stuff out of the way. Remember our rule. And now I'm just gonna bowl this up real quick, and this is basically ready to go. And for this, as a general rule of thumb, the consistency you want is that of hummus, more or less, or peanut butter. So just put that into your bowl. And because I used the green cayenne, it didn't really alter the color, so it's still more or less white or off-white. And that's just perfect right there. How easy is this? Like, there's literally nothing, absolutely nothing to this. So that's the dish there in terms of the tirokafteri. If you want to garnish it, you can take and put a pepper in the middle, because you know how big Greeks are when it comes to garnish. And this, my friends, is all there is to making a gorgeous and super delicious tirokafteri. You can enjoy this with pita, chips, veggies. You can use this as a spread. You can use this as a dip. Spread it on the kapsalisto psomi or the grilled bread, drizzled with olive oil. Some of this on top. You are going to be absolutely golden. So that's it for this episode on how to make tirokafteri. Simple, easy, and delicious. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, I look forward to seeing you again on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.